Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives FII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Expect the market to open on a flattish note ahead of the US President Donald Trump disclosing his reciprocal tariff during an event in the White House Rose Garden. The tariffs are anticipated to disrupt global supply chains and impact the profits of exporters to the US, while potentially slowing down the world's largest economy due to rising prices. Globally, the US market closed with mixed results and the US manufacturing PMI came in above expectations. Despite the global uncertainty, there are some positive factors driving the market. GST collections for March showed a 10% increase, reaching over 1.96 lakh crore, the second highest ever, indicating reduced fiscal burden and higher business activity. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 2nd April 2025, Nifty index opened gap down by around 180 points, and after the slight recovery in the first hour, it faced rejection at 23,550 levels and slipped lower throughout the day. It faced profit booking and dropped by 430 points below 23,150 zones. It took a breather at its 50 daily exponential moving average and closed with losses of around 350 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow, indicating pressure is intact at the higher zone. India VIX was up by 9% to 13.9 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.76. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,600 to 23,700 levels, while immediate range could be in between 23,000 to 23,400. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 5,902 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,323 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 30.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty holds below 23,333 marks, weakness could be seen towards 23,000 and 22,800, while hurdles are seen at 23,550. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 51,000, some weakness could be seen towards 50,250, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 51,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Trend, Bank of India, Hoodco, Angel One, BPCL, Paytm, Bandhan Bank, GMR Airports and GAIL. While some weakness could continue in Voltas, Persistent Systems, Lodha, Coforge and KPIT Tech. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.